Hi, I'm Will from ELKAtherm UK, and in this tutorial I will be showing you how to add a new Heatapp installation on either your tablet or smartphone. I will be showing you on an Apple device, however Android is very similar.
Before we start, make sure you have a pin or something small enough to press the button on top of the NT box. I will tell you when to do so. We begin on the home screen. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi via Settings, then come back to the home screen. Tap on the App Store icon on your Apple device or Play Store on your Android device. Go to the search bar and type in Heatapp as one word. Press on this application and download it. Once the application has downloaded, press the Home button and find the Heatapp application. Tap on it to open it. You will come to the Terms and Conditions. Swipe down to the bottom, and as long as you are happy with them, press this button with I have read and accept the terms and conditions, then press OK. When you see this message, use your pin to click the button here on your NT box. Don't hold it. This synchronizing screen should appear. Wait till it disappears. You should be left with this display. Press Heating. Your heaters should be displayed here. You can change the names of them by pressing Configure on the bottom right. Press Edit Zone. So if I press on Z2, you will be brought to this screen. Then simply press on the white rectangle. Delete the old text. Then type in something to let you know which heater it is. I'm going to name mine Kitchen. When you have typed that in, press Done. Then press Back on the top left. Press Heating on the top left again. Then press Select on the bottom left corner. As you can see, the name has been changed.